In this video we talk about the project setting. So open your filmora and click on create new project. First close it, and from here you also change your aspect ratio and project setting, right, one by one. And if you have not set from there, then click on create new project, and then from here you click on file, and from file you click on project settings, and from here you select your project setting. By default it's 16:9 widescreen and the full HD 1920 and 1080. You have to change it the 4K Ultra HD and the DC1 4K, and you have to choose the custom settings, and you also choose the default YouTube setting 1280 multiplied by 720, right? So from here you also choose the custom, and in custom you can lock it, and from here click on to unlock, and from here change it. For example, I have changed it, and it will be automatically saying the aspect ratio, right? And if I have changed it, the aspect ratio will be changed, and from here we will lock it, and by save it. Now we have opened some project, and it will change our project aspect ratio, right? So I have click on it. So it says to choose it 12:80 or 720 by default, because the project setting is that, and this setting is on setting which we have custom set in this filmora 1100 multiplied by 90, right? So I have choose it. Now the setting will be changed. I again change this setting, right? So I delete it and go to the project setting, click on it. From here you also open it, click on it, new project, and Instagram setting I have set it. Click on Instagram and save it. So I don't save it, the project, no, Instagram, and don't save, right? So I have open a new project, again open it, right, and delete, right? So it again says to use the default setting, or you have chosen setting. So I have my chosen setting, the Instagram 180 by 1080 multiplied by 1080. So keep it and then open, right? So this setting will be set as the Instagram video setting, right? From here you again set. It means if you have changed your setting, so you go to the new project and choose your setting from here, or you go to the project setting and choose your setting from here. From these two tabs you can change your filmora project settings, right? So I change it to portrait and don't save, right? Again open it and then check it, open, click it, 180 portrait, and it will goes to the portrait, right? So the project setting will goes to the portrait. Aspect ratio is that it is the aspect ratio portrait 9:6. So I have to change it to the vertical. So click on it, don't save, again open it, again open this project, open, edit, and it is goes to set this key project setting and match to media. My media setting is that by default, and my project setting is that. So click on project setting and it will be changed to the vertical, right? So this is a short video how to set your project setting, right? Thank you for watching for this video.